Once the oven is electrically supplied, only the start-stop button is highlighted to the keyboard. By holding the same button for a couple of seconds, the control panel switches on, showing date and time. Only the highlighted buttons are the ones that can operate actually. For the manual cooking program setup, please set the time first by pressing plus button or by pressing the minus button until to get infinity time. Means that the customer will end the cooking program by pressing the start to stop by itself. Let's set, for example, 10 minutes. Press select. Now the oven is asking for which room temperature do you want to set up. Average is 180, but it could be changed in between 30 and 260. And we set, for example, 200. With the little eye there, we can see the real temperature read in the cooking chamber. Press select. Now the oven is asking for the steam generation, and we can set a minimum of 10 to a maximum of 100. 80 as example, select to confirm. Now the display panel is resuming our setup. To the top of the display panel, we get a manual, that means a manual cooking program. Step, since we can connect a maximum of 9 different cooking steps in one single cooking program. The first step predicts 10 minutes, 200 degrees, with a real temperature now in the room of 23, 80% of steam, maximum fan speed, no preheating. To change the fan speed, press the highlighted button there, and with plus and minus set the maximum, the medium or the minimum fan speed. With the button there, we set the preheating. The preheating, once is on, will warm the cooking chamber at plus 30 degrees compared to the temperature of the first cooking step. That means that the cooking chamber will be at 230 before recall the customer to load the food. Then the real step will begin at 200 only. Now all the parameters have been set. By pressing the start button, the oven starts, showing preheating progress.